Hi guys, I'm back with the new set of couplers. You can replace them on here, put them on here. On the past 3-4 episodes that I did about the sat shaft have led us to here. That's exactly where we need to be. These couplers are bad and I got a new set. And we're gonna go ahead and replace them. Okay, we'll take this one out. Rubber bolt. What I'm doing here is removing the whole coupler. I'm looking for the main bolt. You could, in fact, you could use this and just bang it on here. It'll come out. As for me, it's much easier to use a power tool. And go ahead and do it. Do that. And on this side here, can you see? This is thicker, it's thinner. The thinner side will always point toward the front of the car. Okay? And this one, triangle, will come out with this coupler when you remove from the car. So we need to remove that. Here. Okay, that's out. Put the new couplers. Now, just want to clear something. The diameter of this collar here for 94 to 97 is larger than 91 to 93 Previa. This is 14 millimeter, and the early years 12 millimeter. Okay? Keep that in mind. And I've got a brand new set of bolts, but I like to use the old one because they seem to be stronger as old as they are. So try to use your old one if possible, because the new one tends to strip much softer material. And also another point is, see, this is taller than this one, okay? See, this one is taller than this one. The taller one will always go inside this one. It will always go inside this mount. Going to need the nut that I just lost. Okay, fella, where'd you go? It's just kind of weird. It could be. I need a 6 eye. I got 4 eyes now, but I need a 6 eyes. I can see. Oh shoot. And you have another one spare here. Oh, I do. All right. Tie this up. Here. And oh, one more thing. If you have grease, or sometimes you buy this thing, it comes with grease. The grease go in here, okay? So that it'll slide in and out easier. A little bit of grease there. Make sure the grease. And this one goes in the back. I just want to test the grease. Right there, okay? Now it's ready to go back in the car. And those of you that worry about is it going to go back in the same spot, you put a mark and stuff, makes no difference. I put in plenty of this, it makes absolutely no difference because you can put in a new coupler anyway. And it has a little flex in this coupler and a little bit off balance, that's going to absorb it. Okay? So, ready to go in. Alright? See ya!